Hello everyone, Mates Adventures again. We are now in Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm gonna show you ang aking plantation ng grapes. Look at that. This is a church po, and then sa taas makikita nyo, wait kita nyo, you will see grapefruit. Wait, let me, so yeah, a lot of grapefruits here. Wait, yeah, look at the grapes. It's almost ripe na po ito. This is a season for harvesting na in the next few days. Kita nyo naman. Kita nyo? You see that? So, yeah, it's almost harvest season for grapes. Yes. Ito lang yan sa bakura nila. A lot of grape. It's a red grapes. Yeah. So this is red grapes. Let's see that. So yan, yun po, yan taas na yan. Puro grapes po yan. And there's a lot, yan, it's grapes. And this is inside the church. And it is just, it's like mini vineyard dito. Tignan nyo naman, look at that. Look at that. See. Ready to harvest. Mamaya po ako dyan. I will get more. Look at this. Wow. So here's mga bakuran lang po to. So yan, mga bakuran lang nila yan. Mamumuha na tayo mamaya. Pagpapaalam na tayo sa pare. Yeah. Grapes, a lot of grapes. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mates Adventures for more videos like this.